Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of a versatile small writing desk designed for kids' bedrooms and small spaces. This compact desk, measuring 15.7 inches deep by 31.5 inches wide and 31 inches high, is perfect for tight areas like bedrooms, dorms, or even under loft beds, serving as a writing desk, study table, gaming station, or vanity. It comes equipped with 2 fabric drawers, ideal for organizing lightweight items such as electronics, papers, and stationery, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. The desk boasts a sturdy construction with a retro wood finish and strong metal frame, reinforced by an X-shaped crossbar and diagonal brace for added stability, while adjustable leg pads ensure it remains steady on uneven floors. The high-quality laminate surface resists scratches and stains, making it easy to maintain and perfect for kids, teens, and students, as well as teachers working from home. Assembly is a breeze with detailed instructions and clearly labeled parts, and if you encounter any issues, the professional customer support team is ready to assist within 24 hours. So, whether you're setting up a home study area or a compact office space, this desk combines efficiency with elegance to meet your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.